Well, hey there, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one I picked up, 2 days ago? On my daughter's birthday. At H Mart. This is Ottogi Jin Ramen Veggie. This is one that I had never seen before. And yeah, let's get to it. How's it going? It's snowing. Oh, I kind of did this wrong. You're supposed to bring it to a boil with the veggies in there, but I'm going to put the veggies in there now, let it sit for a minute. And yeah, it's dumping snow, but today I am on track to get my 4,500th review. This will be $44.97, then I got $98.99, and then 4,500. There was an ingredient that I needed to do that one that I did not have, which I picked up at a Brazilian store yesterday. So, yeah. Which is the same place where I got the one that I'm going to review tomorrow. And the one that's going to be 4,500 is also from Brazil, obviously. But it was sent in by a guy named Kian, and when he went to Brazil. So thanks again, dude. Yeah, this should be a good little run. Noodle block is kind of thinner than what I'm used to seeing for Korean varieties, so that's kind of neat. And we got 3 minutes on this one. Ooh, 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 ooh. So yeah, wow, it's been pretty madcap, wacky, crazy lately. Had my daughter's birthday at Chuck E. Cheese. Wow, what an interesting place that is. They had cheese. The pizza was pizza. I mean, if you're a kid, you're gonna be like, ooh, pizza. It wasn't very good pizza. And they screwed up a bunch of stuff, but my daughter had an absolute blast and met some cool parental units of her friends. And yeah, my daughter is now 6 years old. So there'll be some intros and outros from that stuff, and then of course of the snow. Is it still snowing? It's gotta be, right? One moment, I have to look. Yeah, it's dumping pretty good. I don't think it's dumping as hard as it was. It's hard for me to see. I don't see very well, you know, so, you know. But I'm B, and I love the snow. I think it's neat and all, but there's one problem with it. It makes it really hard for me to go out walking. And I've been like really being good, doing all this stuff, and then it starts snowing, so it makes it really hard. And you know, when you're inside, you just want to hang out and enjoy a nice nosh. And yeah. But I've been good, except for on her birthday. I couldn't let that cake go to waste, you see, and had to eat some really greasy pizza. But that's alright. Other than that, for the last 10 days I've been on my new diet, and it's been going well. Just keeping it just under 1,500 calories and trying to get 10 miles in a day. But yeah, right now, I don't know, if need be, I'll walk down to the store today. And I've got these rubber things with like basically cleats on the bottom. They're like studded tires for your shoes. I think some people call them yak tracks, but there's something, they're not that. They're a different brand, but they work really, really well. So that's fun and fantastic for me. And yeah, getting closer to Christmas. It's the 20th today. So I think I've got all my chickens in a basket. eggs in a basket, chicken eggs in a chicken, something like that. Should be interesting to do photography today. I think it'll work out well. Yes, I'm going to try it, but I wanted to just dump it in here first. This one's definitely a departure from the standard Ottogi noodle. It's much thinner. But yeah, this is Jin Ramen. Usually I think it takes 5 minutes to cook, and this is only 3. Ow. Shouldn't have left the fork in there. There's our noodle. Noodle's good. Decent amount of vegetable in this. Now, yeah, I definitely gotta say, a nice lot of vegetable. But is it spicy? No. I'm looking for the spicy, which means no. I'm gonna add some of this. I got some sesame chili oil. Just a little glurp of that. Glurp. Give it a mix around. And then do the noodle comb over again. And I know, you're gonna be like, but it's vegan. It actually is vegan, that's kinda neat. Neato, vegan. Yeah, let's use this one. There's some chashu. And, you know, I'm gonna... Uh-oh, the children are mad. See, it's winter break. They're barking at each other. Hopefully all will be well, folks. I don't want to frighten you with the children. Hey, be nice in there. Better get along. Santa's listening. Thunderdome.
Papa.
No. You guys have to be nice, okay? That's about the way I see it. We'll go with this one. Got a little slice of Naruto. Seems like a thing to do. That chili oil kind of jumped ship, didn't it? Come on, keep snowing. If it stops snowing, it's just gonna switch to rain. We're like on the line. And I want more snow. Just for the heck of it. Just snow more. Do it for the kids. Do it for the children. God, I hope I can get through these reviews today because I have a feeling this is just my first one of the day. But the children, they're already doing things that doesn't equal lots of work getting done, which is not swelligan. Little mung bean. Where did that spring onion want to hang out? Let you hang out there. And a little pepper flake. on the egg. Well, you're gonna get photoshopped out of that egg. Nope, I can't blow it off. Oh, sesame seeds. Yes, yes. The seeds of the sesame. There you go. Well, I de-veganified it, but that's pretty good stuff. Recommendo. Alright, so that's that for this one. The next one you're going to see is this Nissan Myojo Torma do Chico Bento Calino Feijão. It's basically a creamy black bean soup in Brazil. So, enjoy.